Well, good morning. So, as much as I would like to get the kayak back out, I'm gonna wait until I get a head mount or a hat clip or something for that, because my arm was blocking all the blow-ups on that whopper plopper, which was really a bummer to see. So, I'm gonna hit a few spots in Omaha that I have never hit before. A couple little ponds that I found on Google Maps. We'll see what they look like, and then there's a spillway that everybody and their mama on YouTube has fished in this area, but I have not, so I'm gonna go check it out. So stay tuned, and we're gonna head out to the water. All right, well, we're out here, found this new little pond. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cast with this bait caster back here. I might have to run back up to my truck, but I've got this 360 search bait thing. Shields had these on sale for a 3-pack for $3, so figured I'd give them a shot. I've never used them. Yeah, there's really no access to the banks here, but surprisingly, there's an aerator out here. There's no houses backed up to it. It's just kind of off of a main road, and there's a city park here, so it's really kind of an odd thing. But I'm gonna see if I can get this thing flung out here and see what happens. Nope. What did I do? Like my line got stuck. Let's try that again. Alright. I have no idea how this... Oh, am I snagged already? That's... First cast. Snagged. And... That ain't coming off of there. Oh, that's a bummer. Did I get it back? I think I might have got it back. Did. I might need to go get a spinning rod to try to cast back here. Can't even see how this thing is working in the water because so much stuff on the water. Doesn't exactly smell the greatest back here either. Maybe it's a poop pond, an aerated poop pond. Alright, I'm gonna go grab a spinning rod, because I know that'll be much easier to cast under here. Alright, we're gonna try that. On the spinning combo. That might be a little bit, give us a little bit better luck, although it is pretty snaggy, so might lose it on the first cast. Yeah, let's move. Did bring some worms. I don't know how long they're gonna survive out here today. Alright. Well, it made a move. I'm at a spot that everybody's fished, so I figured I might as well give it a shot. In fact, I ran into a fellow YouTuber down here from Mindak, so we're gonna give this a shot. I still have this little swim bait thing tied on, so give her a shot out there and see what happens. I'm gonna slow way down here, and I think I'm gonna tie on a wacky hook. Try that. We're just gonna give this a dangle here. See if that gives us any better luck. On. We're on. Just a little largy. Wacky worm. And I think he took my worm while he was at it. Come here. There we go. Right through the bottom of his lip here. Ouch. There we go. Not a bad one. First fish after what, 3 hours of fishing today? Get him out of here. He's ready to go. Let's grab another wacky worm. It seems to be working quite a bit better. Really need to get some little rubber bands. Run it more like a Nico. Kind of threw it out here outside of the current break. There's a little drain right there. You hit it kind of right behind. There's some more of these this concrete in the water, if you can see it in the reflection there. But we're on again. There we go. That seems a little better. Don't rub me up against these. It's not bad at all.
Dry as that leaf too,
Huh?
Dry as that leaf.
Of course.
Alright, well, good luck.
Thanks. There we go, fish number 2. Awesome. Kind of hooked on the outside of the lip there, but it's not a bad fish here. You guys recording? Yeah. There we go. Get him back out here and see if we can get another one. He's a little chunkier than the last one. Back in. When in doubt, wacky worm it out there. It's kind of if I'm having a hard day, it's what I typically go to. It's really slow, but they like it. So worried about something hitting and dragging me over the concrete that's in the water. This is just 10-pound fluoro, Seeger red label. I don't know how I managed to pull that thing in with 10-pound fluoro. We're gonna try the old jigging a worm, and that'll be it. See if I can get at least one more. Just not having much luck. Got those two and then it just turned off. I don't really have a... Where do those jig heads go? Well, I left the jig heads in the truck, so I'm just gonna put a real worm on that wacky hook. See if that helps us out at all. If these guys are even alive. Just barely. Maybe not at all. Well, I don't think they're alive, but it'll still work. Oh, he's alive when I poked him. We'll just give her a few twists through there, like so. See if I can make that work. Since nothing else wants to work, I'm sure the gills are just going to bite the tail of it off. But it's worth a shot. I just want to hook something else before I'm done. I'll leave the hook right on the hook. See if that does it for me. There we go. Finally. Gill. It's really yellow. Oop, dropping my crap. Should throw them out there for kitty bait, but try that again. Oh, you almost had it. There we go. Another Gillian. Just gotta rig it a little different to get it in their mouths. Just a tiny, whoop, tiny little guy. But we're catching fish again. It's only been like 2 hours probably. There we go. Is that a catfish? Yup. Well, species number 3, little channel cat, tiny little channel cat. He's got like bumps on his skin. Well, I was right. Just a little channel cat. It's kind of weird looking. Yeah, he's got bumps all over him. Oh, you see that in his tail? Gross. I touched it. All 3 species, I can't complain even though they're all tiny. I'm of the opinion that something's better than nothing. Hello, this is Mike. There we go. It's a bigger gill. Not too bad. Not too bad. Just a little guy. Oop. And he's back in the water. I think that's going to be the last cast. We'll see. Well, that's it for me today. So, did manage to catch a couple bass, that one little kitty and a few bluegill. Nothing major, but it was kind of a tough day of fishing, so I can't really complain about it. I guess stay tuned for the next one. We're going to get back out there and try to catch some more. Thanks for watching.